I really hate my parents because they're grounded for a stupid reason. They give me a punishment day after escaping jail. I need to think a way how to get revenge on them. I got it. I will turn everyone naked, and that way, nobody ever knows. I will go to the gun shop to buy a gun.
Hey, stay away from my lawn, you bastard.
Phew, that was a lot of running. Now I'm at the gun store. Time to buy a gun.
Hey, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be here. Hey, put that back on where it was. You can take it.
Now I got the gun. It's time to make everyone naked. Finally, I arrived at school. Now that no one is around, I've accepted. I will go to their beautiful world. Why?
And why
You
are
look
you
all
making
sexy.
everyone naked?
Ha 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 ha. How do you like that? Now let's celebrate. I got sent here because I'm Classic Caillou. You don't ever turn everyone into naked people. That's it. You are suspended for 5 days. Now get out of my office and go home. I'm contacting your parents about this. No,
Hey Classic Caillou. Why are you home so early? Geez, Classic Caillou did not respond to me, but I swear to God, I will get a phone call about. Hello? You may reach Anderson's residence. Who is this?
Hi Caillou. This is your assistant principal, Mr. Daniel. I'm calling that Classic Caillou has turned everyone naked. Yay, I made everybody naked.
Classic Caillou, Classic Caillou, Classic Caillou. Get your butt downstairs right now.
Oh shit, it looks like I'm busted.
Classic Caillou, I just got a phone call from Mr. Daniel, saying that you turn everyone naked. Is this true?
To answer the question, yes, I did. I made everyone naked. I'm really sorry, please forgive me.
Oh my fucking god. Classic Caillou. How dare you make everyone naked? You know that is against the law. You don't ever do that. That's it. You are so grounded. Now get your butt to your room and think about what you did.
And stop crying like an idiot.